you guys smuggling?
Yeah. She's a little cuddle bugger.
You're too
Look at
cute.
how cute she is.
Yeah. You guys are very sweet. Oh, she's got purr machines.
Yeah. She's really cute. I love her. Just a purr machine. Purr, 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 purr
She
machine.
always likes to sniff the camera.
Yeah. She stole my jammies.
I know, she won't
I
give them
can't
back.
wear my jam bottoms.
Mm-mm.
Morning, tubers. How you doing? I had a very busy morning this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was very exciting stuff. Might be happening soon, so
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. Stay tuned.
And you can see more of this girl too.
Yeah.
Mama.
No, I don't want to.
Don't wanna.
Don't want to.
No. You guys are cute. She's so warm and toasty. Look at those little toes. She's giving you her toes.
She wants. Oh. Yeah, she's really cute. I don't know. She's like been smuggling me since I got home.
She missed you. She says you guys woke up early today and it's a day off. Not supposed to.
I'm not supposed to. So we're making mac and cheese for lunch. I am using a special mac. This is the one we got from the vlog last time, which is Wacky Mac, because it has all the fun shapes. But here, I'm going to show you guys really quick. See, look at all those fun little shapes. And then I'm going to add regular mac. Because one can never have too much mac and cheese. Think about, huh?
Yeah.
Hey!
Hey, tubers.
We are on our way to Dollar Tree.
Yes. Yeah, now we're gonna go to the one in LaPorte, so we're going over the pretty bridge.
Yeah.
It looks really nice right now because it's sunset.
It's super pretty.
Yeah, it is.
Super.
But yeah, we've just been doing stuff around the house and stuff like that today, so.
Are you feeling a little better? You might not know Amanda isn't feeling good today.
Yeah, I don't know, a little bit, I guess. Yeah, it's okay. I think it's just the change in the weather because it was warm and then it was cold and it's warm and now it's freezing.
Yeah.
Actually, the heat is like messing with my sinuses. It's okay. It just messes with me.
It's really dry.
Yeah. And I'm not used to the dry because we're in Texas. It's humid.
Yeah.
Oh, look how pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty.
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty. Look at it pretty.
Screenshot.
Screenshot.
Actually, that does look like a postcard.
It does. Deep in the heart of Texas.
That's the marina.
Baytown Marina.
But I just love that bridge so much. It's so pretty.
Yeah. it real?
I don't think so. It has to be fake, isn't it?
How does it work?
No, it's real.
Go, 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 go. Dead end.
You're into the dead
Hey, do you remember that game 1313 Dead End Drive? Does anyone remember that game? It was like Clue-ish, but like it was a board game and you had to build all the traps, and then like I remember somehow like you triggered the traps whenever people walked underneath, and you would have to figure out who was like murdering who. Oh. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. Yeah.